We guide you through how to factory reset your iPhone quickly and safely. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you back up your important data using iCloud or iTunes so you don't lose your photos, contacts, or files. After backing up, open the Settings app on your Apple iPhone. Then scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Erase all content and settings. Your iPhone will show a summary of what will be removed, including apps, media, and personal data. Tap Continue, then enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. If you have Find My iPhone enabled through Find My, you may also need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the reset. Once confirmed, your iPhone will begin erasing all data and restoring the device to its original factory resets or settings. This process usually takes a few minutes, and your iPhone will restart automatically once it's done. After the reset, you'll see the setup screen where you can set up the device as new or restore from backup.